How to fix Roblox widescreen error 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Roblox widescreen error 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our control panel first. And then from in there, just click on this network and internet. Then click on this network and sharing center. Then click on this Wi-Fi right here. And click on properties. So let's click on it and then choose Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties again and just enter here 8888 and from here 848 Tor, then click on OK and that should be able to resolve your issue. Next thing you can do is to click and open CMD on administrator and then use this command right here to the CMD. So just type the following lines of code in order to command from screen and press enter. And after that, it will show that your DNS cache and proxies have been cleared successfully. So just do them and you should be able to use your Roblox again. The next thing you can do is to head over to the Roblox site. So let's click on Roblox right here. Click on roblox.com. And then this will redirect to the home page of Roblox. So from in there, just click on any game that you have. So let's click on any game and then click on the play button right here. Then this will load and this will open this prompt. Click on cancel. Then this will load again and you can see here download and install Roblox. So just click on that and download and install Roblox from the site. So what you can do next is to head over to your settings, to your app settings. So let's click on settings right here. So let's enter it and from in there select this apps right here and then click on this apps and features and scroll down until you find Roblox. So let's find Roblox from this list. So here it is. Just uninstall it and reinstall it again. So the next thing you can do is to head over to MS Store and then click on get right here in order to install your Roblox. So the next thing you can do is to head over to your browser again, then search for Down Detector Roblox. So just click on this first link right here, and it will load. And as you can see, users report indicate possible problems. And if you see a big spike like this, then that just means that there's a problem. But as you can see, it's just small right here, so that means there's a few problems. So watch out for this grid right here to make sure that your Roblox is experiencing problem or not. So the next thing you can do is to head over to your click data right here, click on settings, and from in there, just click on privacy and security, click on display your browsing data, then select the time range and all of this, and click on clear data, and that should be able to clear the data of your Roblox. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Roblox widescreen error 2023. If you have questions, comments, kindly put them in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.